So day two, uneventful. I did change my shirt. Watching Dallas play the Eagles. Did my 3 sets of tour of duty of the exercises. That's when my pain starts to hurt a lot. Sit and get up. Everything's stiff, as you guys all know, after you get cut into. So when I take my walker, I do laps around our living room here, and then go into the kitchen. It's an all open concept, so I can make big figure eights. Pain was still the same. No movement, no pain. Walking, I'll say it's 4 to 5. Exercises, 8. Sometimes when you shimmy wrong. It's just the strangest thing, I'm telling you. Having the left one done, replaced 3 years ago. The right one was good, move around. Now having the left one that you know, when wrong twist, it could hard twist and it could dislocate. But having 2 hips replaced is totally different than just having one. Even though this was 3 years ago, you still got to be very careful of this getting dislocated. And you know what I'm talking about, like when you get in your car and you shimmy, you pivot, and then your heel doesn't pivot, but your hip does, and you're like, oh shit, can it be just me? I drive a Tacoma, I get in there, I have to pivot a little bit. I always thought, oh God. So now I got to worry about it with both of them. Even just walking around the house, I'm used to having that right foot that I could always rely on because the right hip was factory made. And so it wouldn't dislocate like this one will now. So I'm still catching myself. Even when I sit up in a chair, it's kind of scary. I'm worried that I catch myself trying to cross my legs. But so now I'm just keeping my wedge in between my legs so I don't do that, or a pillow. So, because I don't want to find out the hard way how much it just takes. Posterior surgeries, they can happen really easy from what I'm told. I don't want to find out. All right, so that's how day 2 went. Yes, I had surgery Friday. Day 1 was yesterday. Day 2, post-op. Not too bad. Could be worse. Exercises, no matter what surgery you do, it's going to hurt. The incision is kind of stiff. There's a little bit of swelling. There's no bruising, which is weird. I have no swelling all the way down to my ankle. I will check again tomorrow because day 3 will be shower day. Yay.